So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create our font art using Python. So this tutorial will be very easy, so please watch this video until the end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for daily videos. You will learn daily something new in my channel, so please stay with us. So for creating the font art, I'm using here PyFiglet library. So now we will see how we can use this library to create the font art. So here I'm using PyCharm IDE. So I'm creating new project like font art. Yeah, so now our project is ready. So as you know, whenever we are going to use any library or package, so first we need to install that package into our program. So for that we just need to copy this command from this website, and we are going to open the terminal and just paste here. Yeah, so our main step is done. Now we just need to import this library and we can use this. As I told you in the beginning already, it is very easy tutorial. I am just using the PyFiglet library and I am going to convert our text into a particular font art. So here I am taking one variable like font and using PyFiglet and using dot figlet format. Here I am passing, like suppose I am passing my name Rajat. So here I am taking my name. Now if we will print the font here and we will see, you can see it's created one font art. Here it is taking by default any particular font style. So we can change the font style. We can also pass the font style here. So for getting the font list, we just need to do like, here we are just going to print the font style which is present in PyFiglet. Then it will be easier for us to change our text into a particular font style. So we just need to do like PyFiglet dot figlet font, and we will get all the fonts list. Now if we run, so you can see here it is giving us all the font style name. So now I'm going to take any particular font here. So font equal to, suppose I'm taking this Fuchsia 5 and passing here. Now if you will run, now you can see it is in different font style art. Now the next, suppose I'm taking like Roman. So if we'll pass this Roman here, now you can see it is in Roman font style, which is interesting, quite interesting. Now the last we will see like blue bullhead. Yeah, you can see it is printing like this. So that's how you can create your font art using Python. Here I have used PyFiglet library. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. It is basically give me motivation to make videos daily. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.